Hey, I'm Joe and you're watching on my YouTube channel a useful video on how to switch from square to round shape of your nails. As I have square nails now, I'll show you how to switch to round shape. There are two methods. One, you can just use a nail file and adjust your nail. You start with the corner and you insist in this part of your nail to make it round. Another easy way is to cut the corner of your nails with the scissors, and after that you adjust it with the nail file. And ta-da! Here are your perfect round shape nails. Wish you find this useful and subscribe to my channel. You turn on the notifications and spread the word. Keep in touch. Bye!